रुके रुके समझ गए रुके 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 समझ
I think
समझ गए ओके ओके
voice is not coming. Very good morning.
Good morning.
That's interesting. Honorable Sri Kiran Rejuji, Minister of State for Home Affairs, Government of India, and respected dignitaries from judiciary, officers from government department, industry leaders, policy makers, respected panelists and speakers on the dais. They are going to join us. I welcome you to the first edition of Cyber. Do you think is an importance on the cyber security, friends?
Absolutely.
I cannot hear.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. Here we have cyber security experts sitting with us. We are talking about cyber security. I will talk about the cyber intelligence. Here we have the experts, policymakers, industry leaders, academia, and government representatives. We are also experts from different states of India, Israel, USA, and Canada, who will deliberate on cyber security, on the best practices. About the cyber security, the IT threat landscape has changed dramatically over the last 3-4 years. Online security and data breach have grown increasingly threatening. Both security and business leaders are struggling to understand to what degree security incidents can impact business continuity, intellectual property, and damage to their reputation. It is no more just about stealing your money.
इस पे करें
Cybersecurity has the top spending priority for 2017, and in coming days, cybersecurity insurance will come as the game changer. As more companies work to mitigate financial loss brought on by cyber threats. There are many recent incidents on cyber attacks. It's very interesting. Just days after the inauguration of President Donald Trump, cyber criminals infected 70% of storage devices that record data from feeds of surveillance cameras in Washington DC in a cyber attack. Second most interesting would be recently hundreds of guests of a luxurious hotel in Austria were locked in or out of the room. And the hotel had no choice left except paying the attackers. Another most interesting, everybody knows about Yahoo. They have disclosed a 3-year-old massive data with more than 1 billion user accounts, which is said to be the largest data breach of any company ever. Mark, you must have got a very good insight on this, and we would love to hear from you. So many interesting facts, and Eric also. With rapidly growing Internet of Things IoT devices, here we have IoT champions also. They have become a much more attractive target for cyber criminals. Cyber crooks are also targeting the energy sector and in the end how to secure SCADA system, which is always been an interesting target for cyber crooks. And let's understand more from our speakers and panelists on certain facts on how to secure either with the best practice on security measures by implementation of right technology, hardware, software, or by strengthening the IT Act. I would like to assure the Minister Rijuji that Warrior would like to take the lead in building cyber security framework for India with the help of experts in the hall and outside in the seminar. In the start of first such deliberation, we had done a similar exercise for the government in mobile manufacturing space, which is well appreciated by the government. Sir, with this, I would like to thank all my friends and I request all my panelists to join the session.